I'm Kollin Stagnito, Senior Vice President for Media and Marketing at AOPA. Van's Aircraft filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on December 4th. What does that mean for Van's customers?
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Become an AOPA pilot today.
I'm here with AOPA Legal Services Plan attorney Jeremy Browner. Jeremy, what does the Chapter 11 filing mean?
In this particular instance, Van Aircraft is trying to reorganize their debt that they have. And the policy of the United States is that in the Chapter 11, that the company survives and the jobs are there at the detriment to the creditors.
Jeremy, in the case of a Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing, there are secured and unsecured creditors. In this case, who are the secured creditors and who are the unsecured creditors?
Well, the actually secured creditors haven't been identified yet. The top 15 creditors have been identified in the original voluntary petition, which is the number one on the docket. People like, or entities like engine manufacturers, sheet metal vendors, propeller manufacturers, the things that you would assume are associated with a kit aircraft that the kit manufacturer is not doing themselves. Unsecured creditors are going to be those vendors I just talked about, but for more importantly, the kit owners or soon to be kit owners are going to be unsecured creditors.
And so I understand the unsecured creditors have essentially two options. They can potentially pay more to buy a kit or ask for a refund.
Yeah, they're going to be given eventually these options. Yes, pay more to continue your order, even though you have an order that you've already paid a set amount already. You may continue that order by paying more, or you can ask Vans to get a refund or ask the bankruptcy court or go through the claims process to get a refund. And you'll probably get a portion of that refund, not the entire thing.
And are there any important dates that these customers need to be aware of?
Yes, there are two known dates and future dates that we don't have yet. The first date is January 12th, is the Vans Aircraft Meeting of Creditors, which is going to be held in Portland, Oregon. However, anyone can attend by telephone, and there is a phone number and an access code that's posted in the notice to the Chapter 11 that all the creditors shall receive in the mail shortly. In addition, they have assigned the claims deadline. This is the deadline in which all claims have to be filed. Any sort of claim. It could be if you believe Vans Aircraft owes you money in any way for anything, February 12th is your deadline. And there's a couple deadlines that we don't know yet. Vans Aircraft has to propose a plan, and we haven't, that plan hasn't been proposed yet. A disclosure statement that explains to the creditors what's going on, that hasn't been disclosed yet, and that hasn't been filed. And of course, the confirmation hearing of that plan hasn't been set up yet.
And are there any specific resources or websites that the Vans customers should be aware of?
Yes, the court ordered that a claims agent help with the administration of all the claims because there's about 5,000 creditors or so. BMC Group is the claims agent, and on their website they're going to have a complete duplication of the court docket for free, that you could obtain any of the court orders, any of the audio of the hearings. In addition to that, they're going to have all the claims information. All of your claims that you're going to submit, and all the materials to support those claims are going to be public record and can be taken off of that website.
Jeremy, can you give Vans customers a little better sense of the time frame for the bankruptcy proceedings?
Once the plan confirmation occurs, we're probably looking anywhere between 8 months to a year, would be my guess, and then the plan put into action. If you're mainly concerned about getting the kit, that's going to be in a much shorter time frame. Once the court starts approving um, the ability of vans to charge whatever they're going to charge extra, vans it's going to be up to vans to obviously have enough employees to manufacture and deliver the kits just like they have in the past.
So if a customer of Vans has a legal question, what resources does AOPA offer?
Well, AOPA has the Pilot Protection Service, and part of that service is the Legal Service Plan, and that will give you access to attorneys like me that can give you advice on what to do in these circumstances.
So there are a lot of individuals out there that have been dreaming about building an experimental aircraft for many years, and Vans is it. Is there a best case scenario where an individual is going to be able to still realize that dream and have the least financial ramifications? What could that look like?
What could that look like is that person may have to pay a little bit more money to Vans. And Vans will still be an ongoing concern. They still will manufacture the kit. The kit will still ship. Um, Vans will still provide support for their product. And that's the best scenario, and the one that we hope is going to happen.
Well, thank you very much for your expertise, Jeremy. AOPA will be following the Vans aircraft bankruptcy proceedings, and we will be informing our members and the greater general aviation community of any updates.